Today we have a new addition to the BSA Electronics Dryer Buddy collection. This is my new 3-stage Dryer Buddy Plus Auto. This is what happens when you take two dryer buddies and put them into one chassis. This is the equivalent of if you had two sequential dryer buddies, which I've been asked about, and certainly yes, you can do that. I've even built custom units that have 4 outlets. So you have what looks like the normal dryer buddy on the front. You got your primary outlet and your switched outlet. But on the side, we have a 3rd stage. So when neither of these are in use, your dryer and your primary EV, you can charge a second EV or any combination of 3 different loads you might have. So to demonstrate this, I have a 240 volt 4 amp load. I'll plug into the side here. And we'll see, just going to do that like that, just enough to get it plugged in so you can see the draw. Okay, so that one has the lowest priority. Now, what happens if EV number 1 comes home or starts drawing power? We'll see that the second outlet shuts off. And the meter is wired to read the amperage on the 2 auxiliary outlets, not on the primary, which is typically the dryer. You don't want it adding up kilowatt hours. That's not really helpful. In this case, kilowatt hours are only accumulated from what's going through these 2 outlets. You can actually multiply that number by your electric rate and see at the end of the month how many dollars and cents it costs you to fill up your cars. Now, we're going to use a custom adapter here. So with the frame rate, with the phones, that LED looks like it's turning on and off. It's not. Now when we plug this in, this simulates a dryer turning on, and you'll see that these 2 outlets will both be off. Now there is a 10-second delay. You saw that just come on. So there's a 10-second delay. I'm going to plug in here. These 2 will go off, and when I unplug, it'll take 10 seconds for this one to turn on, and then another 10 seconds for the 3rd stage. So here it is, the dryer turns on, boom, cars turn off. And we'll disconnect that. And the countdown will begin. And after approximately 10 seconds, that 2nd stage comes on. And then the 3rd stage will come on 10 seconds after that. And yes, this unit can be upgraded with the optional delay controller, which changes the delay from 10 seconds to 5 minutes. And there's 2 of everything inside of here. So either delay controller could be upgraded to 5 minutes or both. It all depends upon your custom application. So there it is, the 3-stage Dryer Buddy Plus Auto from BSA Electronics. This is the number 4 model, so 1030 input cord, 1030 outlet, and 1450 outlets for your EVs. I build these with any configuration you want. Custom request is what BSA Electronics specializes in. And yes, I am going to build this in a 50 amp electric range buddy version. So it's just all 50 amp connectors. That might not actually get listed on the website for a while, but it is available. And it's certainly something that can be ordered with any connectors you want. All right, thanks for checking this out. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as that helps show the algorithm that there's interaction with this video and people are actually enjoying it and wanting to see more of this kind of content. As usual, I'll see you in the next one.